today we are gonna make a miniature books. You can find these printables in my Etsy shop, which it will be linked down below. And you can have them in 1/6 scale and 1/12 scale, but for the video we're gonna make it in 1/6 scale because it's a little bit bigger and you can see it better. So let's start. As I told you before, each book comes in 2 sizes, but today we're gonna make 1/6 scale. There is a total of 6 books, 6 books of art, because I'm a designer, I love art, and why not? I'm going to start with this kind of guide of color book that me as a designer, I really wanted to design something like this in a tiny size. So I'm gonna start for this one. This is the cardstock template that I have created to make the covers. So really important, this one. Finally, these are all the parts that we need to make this miniature book. So first of all, we're gonna start gluing this cardstock to the cover, like so. Well, no, actually first we are gonna fold all the tabs. Yes, I think it's gonna be better. Now we need to glue all the tabs and fold, like so. And we will have the cover almost ready. Finally, here's our little book cover. So now let's go for the pages. First, we need to fold them and then we will glue it together. You can fold like this. Normally what I love to do is to fold in both ways, so it's going to be more easy after. I finished the first one, so let's go for the second one. Now that we have this, we need to join the two parts together by making sure that it's not something upside down. Now that we have all the pages, we need to glue the first and the last one to the cover of the book. And it's almost done. I'm nervous. Hello, hello. No, this is my first time on camera and I'm so nervous. Hello, hello. Today. I hope you enjoyed this video and this tutorial, and thank you so much if you are still watching the video, which is the end. I'm pretty nervous because it's my first time after many years being in front of a camera, because I used to have in the past a YouTube channel but in Spanish because I'm from Spain. I speak Spanish, but I wanted to practice my English, so that's why this channel is going to be everything in English. And I was shy and I thought that people maybe wanted to know who is behind all these tutorials and the stop motion little movies that I do. So see you next time and have a very nice week. Bye!